We shall see few problems in transition analysis. In the circuit shown, obtain the expression for the current I of t when the switch is moved from position 1 to position 2 at time t equal to 0. So here it is a RL circuit, R and L are in series. This is your switch. First the switch was in position 1, so this R and L was connected to this V1, which is 5 volt. So some current was flowing. That is the current flowing through the inductor L. At time t equal to 0, the switch is moved to position 2. In that condition, we have to find the expression for this current I of t. So here we have to consider the initial current through this inductor L. So what we are going to do is, initially the switch S at position 1. So the current in this case, we denote it as I of 0, that is the initial current, at t equal to 0 minus 1. That means initial is given by I of 0 t 0 minus 1 is nothing but this situation. So V1 is connected to this R and L. So this steady state current under this condition, this we call it as initial current through the inductor when the switch is moved from position 1 to position 2 at time t equal to 0. So this is nothing but V1 divided by R. V1 is 5, R is 5 ohm. So 5 by 5 ampere, I of 0 when t equal to 0 minus 1 equal to 1 ampere. So this 1 ampere, this is the initial current in the inductor when the switch is moved from position 1 to position 2. So this is very important. Next, this switch S is, now we move the switch S from position 1 to position 2 at time t equal to 0. So the circuit will be like this: V2 connected to this R and L. So initial current I of 0 plus is the initial current. We already found it to be 1 ampere. So this we have to take into account. So I of t is the current flowing through this. We have to find an expression for this current I of t. Of course, we are going to make use of Laplace transform. First we write the circuit equation. So R into I of t plus L di of t by dt equal to V2. This is according to the Kirchhoff's voltage law. Just use the values given. 5 I of t plus 0.1 di of t by dt equal to 10. You take Laplace transform for this equation. So you are going to get 5 into I of s plus 0.1 into s into I of s minus I of 0 plus. So this is the initial current through the inductor equal to 10 by s. So we have already found out this initial current through the inductor I of 0 plus equal to 1 ampere. So substitute 5 into I of s plus 0.1 into s into I of s minus 1 equal to 10 by s. Just expand 5 I of s plus 0.1 s I of s minus 0.1 equal to 10 by s. So here I of s IFS common, you can take outside. IFS into 5 plus 0.1 S minus 0.1 equal to 10 by S. Now you take this minus 0.1 other side. IFS into 5 plus 0.1 S equal to 10 by S plus 0.1. Now IFS equal to, take this to the other side down, IFS equal to 10 by S plus 0.1 divided by 5 plus 0.1 S. So cross multiply with this. IFS equal to 10 plus 0.1 S divided by S divided by 5 plus 0.1 S. So you can bring this S down. So your expression for IFS will be something like this. IFS equal to 10 plus 0.1 S divided by S into 5 plus 0.1 S. IFS equal to 1 by S. So I am going to divide by 0.1 on numerator and denominator. So 10 plus 0.1 S divided by 0.1 divided by 5 plus 0.1 S divided by 0.1. IFS equal to 1 by S. This is going to be 10 by 0.1 plus 0.1 S divided by 0.1. Likewise 5 by 0.1 plus 0.1 S divided by 0.1. So 0.1 getting cancelled. IFS equal to 1 by S. So this is going to be 100. 100 plus S. This is going to be 50. 50 plus S. So this I can write IFS equal to S plus 100 divided by S into S plus 50. Now you can use the partial fraction expansion. However, you can write S plus 100 divided by S into S plus 50 equal to A by S plus B by S plus 50. First you multiply by S on both sides. S plus 100 divided by S into S plus 50 multiplied by S equal to A by S into S plus B by S plus 50 into S. So this S is getting cancelled. This S is getting cancelled. S plus 100 divided by S plus 50 equal to A plus B divided by S plus 50 into S. Now you set S equal to 0. Wherever S is there, you put 0. So you will be getting 0 plus 100 divided by 0 plus 50 equal to A plus B into 0 divided by 0 plus 50. So this term will not come. So you get A equal to 100 divided by 50, A equal to 2. Next you multiply by S plus 50 on both sides. S plus 100 divided by S into S plus 50 multiplied by S plus 50 equal to A divided by S multiplied by S plus 50, B divided by S plus 50 multiplied by S plus 50. So S plus 50 getting cancelled. Here also S plus 50 getting cancelled. S plus 100 divided by S equal to A by S multiplied by S plus 50 plus B. Now you set S is equal to minus 50. So this A term will go. Set S is equal to minus 50. Minus 50 plus 100 divided by minus 50 equal to A divided by minus 50 multiplied by minus 50 plus 50 plus B. So this term will be 0. 100 minus 50, 50 divided by minus 50 equal to 0 plus B. So this is going to be B equal to minus 1. So substitute these values. IFS equal to 2 by S plus B is nothing but minus 1 divided by S plus 50. Next step, IFS equal to 2 by S minus into plus minus 1 by s plus 50. So you take the inverse Laplace transformation for this. Inverse Laplace transform yields I of t equal to 2 minus e power minus 50 t ampere. We'll move on to another example. So this involves RC circuit, RC transient. So here we have R and C connected to 10 volt source. S is the switch. Find I of t in the circuit shown following switching at t equal to 0. At time t equal to 0, switch S is closed. So the current I of t flows through the circuit. We have to find an expression for this current I of t through Laplace transform approach. And Q naught is the initial charge on capacitor. Assume initial charge on capacitor 250 microcoulomb, but it is shown plus minus. Okay, so opposite direction. That you should take into account while writing the expression. So Q naught is going to be the initial charge on capacitor, which is nothing but 250 microcoulomb. At t equal to 0, switch S is closed. The circuit equation is by Kirchhoff's voltage law. R into I of t plus 1 by C integral I of t dt equal to V. Now use the values. R is 1. So 1 into I of t plus 1 by C. C is nothing but 1 by 5 into 10 power minus 6 integral I of t dt. V is 10. So we can write I of t plus 1 by 5 into 10 power minus 6 integral I of t dt equal to 10. So you take Laplace transformation for this expression. You get I of s plus 1 divided by 5 into 10 power minus 6 I of s divided by s plus Q naught by s equal to 10 by s. So here this Q naught is the initial charge of capacitor C. They have already given Q naught as 250 microcoulomb, but that orientation is top negative, bottom positive. So it is opposite to the conventional orientation. So we are taking the minus sign. So Q naught equal to minus 250 microcoulomb. Micro is 10 power minus 6. So this is equal to 250 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. So substitute for this. So this expression can be written as I of s plus 1 divided by 5 into 10 power minus 6 I of s divided by s plus of minus 250 into 10 power minus 6 divided by s equal to 10 by s. I of s plus, so just expand this, I of s divided by 5 into 10 power minus 6 into s minus plus become minus 250 to 10 power minus 6 divided by 5 into 10 power minus 6 s equal to 10 by s. So next we are simplifying. So I have written one more extra step. So I of s plus I of s divided by 5 into 10 power minus 6 s minus 250 10 power minus 6 divided by 5 into 10 power minus 6 into s equal to 10 by s. So 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 6 getting cancelled. 250 divided by 5, you get 50. So you have I of s plus I of s divided by 5 into 10 power minus 6 s minus 50 by s equal to 10 by s. I of s plus I of s divided by 5 into 10 power minus 6 s. So this minus 50 by s, took it to the other side. 10 by s plus 50 by s. I of s plus I of s divided by 5 into 10 power minus 6 s. Simplify this. So 10 plus 50 divided by s. I of s plus I of s divided by 5 into 10 power minus 6 into s. This is going to be 60 by s. Next we will take this 10 power minus 6 to the numerator. So it will become 10 power 6. I of s plus 10 power 6 I of s divided by 5s equal to 60 by s. I of s, this I can write 10 into 10 power 5 into I of s divided by 5s equal to 60 by s. So 5, this will become 2. I of s plus 2 into 10 power 5 I of s divided by s equal to 60 divided by s. So I of s is common, you can take it outside. I of s into 1 plus 2 into 10 power 5 divided by s equal to 60 by s. You cross multiply. I of s into s plus 2 into 10 power 5 divided by s equal to 60 by s. So we need I of s. You take this here, take this down. Of course, I have shown one more step, extra step, just for your understanding. So I of s into s plus 2 into 10 power 5 divided by s equal to 60 by s. So you cross multiply. I of s is going to be 60 by s multiplied by s divided by s plus 2 into 10 power 5. So this s and s getting cancelled. Finally you get I of s equal to 60 divided by s plus 2 into 10 power 5. So take inverse Laplace transformation. Inverse Laplace transformation for this expression yields, it is going to be I of t equal to 60 1 by s plus alpha. So 60 e power minus alpha t. So 1 by s plus alpha, Laplace transform is going to be e power minus alpha t. We have already seen this when we study the theory. So that you have to apply here. So I of t equal to 60 e power minus 2 into 10 power 5 t ampere. So this is the expression for current flowing through the circuit.